Namo Buddhaya. Welcome to our very first video of Buddhist meditations. Now, a lot of you have been asking from us for a long time to do a set of videos which contain information about meditations. So, here we are. Okay, before getting to the video and to know about the meditations, let's do something which will help us to be relaxed and to be more peaceful. Now this is so simple. All you need to do is to just breathe in and breathe out. Now you can do it with me. Now I need you to take 3 deep breaths in and let it flow out through your mouth. Okay, let's do it all together. Breathe in through your nose and breathe out through your mouth. Again, breathe in. And out. One more time, breathe in. Breathe out. Relax, peaceful. Okay. Now, let's talk about meditations. First of all, let's know what is the meaning of meditations. Now, the word meditation is an English word. It's an English term. Now, when we talk about Buddhist meditations, Buddha did not use the word meditation. Buddha used 2 specific words to describe the way of meditation. And those 2 words was, number 1, it's called bhavana. The first word is called bhavana, and the second word is known as yoga. Okay, let's get into the first word. Bhavana. What do you mean by bhavana? Bhavana, the meaning of word bhavana gives the meaning of development, constant practice, constant development of something. So, what do we develop through meditations? What do we develop through bhavana? We develop our mind, right? The process or the practice of development of mind that was used by people for long times is called the meditations or bhavana. And let's get into the second word. What is that? Yoga. Now, the word yoga may means different from one person to another, right? Normally, when we hear the word yoga, it comes to our mind a set of asanas, pranayamas, and so many rituals and practices. But in Buddhism, Buddha did not focus on such things because there was so a big background of yoga and yogic background in the Buddha's time. But Buddha always used this word to describe the way of wisdom. So the word yoga means binding, or the yoga means the binding towards the wisdom, right? So the bond between the man and the wisdom is called the meditation. Okay, so through the meditation, the bond between the wisdom and the man will be developed. So those are the 2 terms that was used by Supreme Buddha. At one time, in the Dhammapada verse, Buddha clearly denotes this. Buddha says, Yogave jayati bhuri. Through meditation, the wisdom will be born. Ayoga bodhisankhayo. Through non-meditation, or if you did not meditate, your wisdom will be decreased. So, through that, it shows us that meditation means the way of developing the wisdom. Okay, now you may have a question, what is wisdom? Remember, Buddha said, the wisdom is the ability to realize the reality of one's life, our own life, right? If we can realize what's going on inside this, right, what is happening in this life, then you have, that ability is known as the wisdom. So to develop wisdom, we practice the meditations, right? So why do we need wisdom? Wisdom will help you for the liberation. That is the ultimate goal of Buddha's way of teachings, right? The liberation from sufferings, liberation from rebirth, liberation from the death. So to attain that state, what do we need? We need wisdom, because through wisdom we realize the reality of this life. So to have the wisdom, we should do meditations. So that is the meaning of meditation, and that is why we do meditations, right? So it's a simple practice, but yet people make it so complex, right? Sometimes people may end up as mentally with mental disorders by doing meditations in a wrong way. So we are going to learn step by step, right, how to do meditations, right? What are the problems that arises when we are doing meditations? And also, in the meantime, we will be uploading some videos that you can put on your headphones and sit in a quiet or relaxing place, and you can, a video that will help you to do the meditations, right? So in the meantime, we will be uploading those things. So if you have any kind of questions and problems that is arising when you are doing meditations, please let us know in the comments, and then we will try to answer them through the videos. And step by step, let's learn this amazing way of wisdom that is known as the Buddhist meditations. So hope you enjoy this first video of our Buddhist meditation series. So I wish you all, may all of you have the opportunity to attain the peacefulness and the calmness within your minds, and may all of you have the opportunity to attain the ultimate happiness in your life. Namo Buddhaya, Thiruvon Saranai.